Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Sensex and whether investing in it is worth it. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update for SAMCO Securities. For those of you who are new to trading, the Sensex is India's leading stock market index and is used as a benchmark for the performance of the Indian stock market as a whole. The Sensex is made up of the top 30 companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, based on their market capitalization. These companies come from a variety of industries, including banking, technology, and consumer goods. Some of the most well-known companies in the Sensex include Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, and Infosys. Now, let's look at the historical performance of the Sensex. Over the past few decades, the Sensex has delivered impressive returns to investors. For example, if you had invested 10,000 rupees in the Sensex in 1980, your investment would be worth over 6 crore rupees today, assuming you had reinvested all dividends and held the investment until now. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in the Sensex comes with risks. The stock market can be volatile, and there is no guarantee that you will make a profit. In fact, there have been times in the past when the Sensex has experienced significant drops, such as during the global financial crisis in 2008. Several factors can affect the performance of the Sensex. These include macroeconomic factors like GDP growth, inflation, and interest rates, as well as company-specific factors like earnings growth and management quality. So, is investing in the Sensex worth it? Well, the answer to that question depends on a few factors. First, it's important to determine whether you have a long-term investment horizon. If you're looking to make a quick profit, investing in the Sensex may not be the right choice for you. However, if you're willing to hold your investment for a significant period, then the Sensex may be a good option. Second, you should also consider your risk tolerance. If you're not comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, then investing in the Sensex may not be the right choice for you. However, if you're willing to take on some risk in exchange for the potential for higher returns, then the Sensex may be worth considering. In conclusion, investing in the Sensex can be a good option for those who have a long-term investment horizon and are comfortable with some degree of risk. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.
From SAMCO, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.